Hello YouTubers and YouTubies, NorthCoastT here. So, on the way home from work, I heard some noise on the old Crown Vic. Decided to take a look underneath the hood. It sounded like the rattle you get from your stabilizer pins when they go bad and you get the little jingle. So I got to looking around and I'm like, well, everything's new, but newer. So here's your ball joint and the bolts for it here. And I start looking around in this area and I find this bushing is completely gone. Newer shocks, the shocks probably have 6,000 miles on them, if that. So luckily I keep all that stuff when I'm doing work on other cars and get extra bushings and stuff like that, or you're stripping a car. So I happen to have an extra one in the garage, so I put it on there, tighten her down. Please don't judge the underneath of my hood. It is pretty dirty. I drive this car back and forth to work every day, and it's pretty dirty. So I figured if that one's gone, let me take a look at the driver one. And lo and behold, it was still there. Looked okay. So I decided to take it off. It's cut through all the way around here. It was getting ready to pop this outer edge off completely. So, guess they're both made in China. It's pretty thin anyway. I don't like how thin that is. So I figured if they're both made at the same time, and that thing just looks really wonky. It like started tearing into it. I don't know, it was about, looked like it was getting ready to completely rip apart. So luckily I had another bushing there as well. So on that side, did the same thing. Took off the nut, put a new bushing on it, and hopefully no more noise. Yeah, this one has new stabilizer pins, new upper control arms. I needed ball joints, but I went with the whole upper control arm on both sides. It's got lower ball joints, tie rod ends, center link, inner and outer tie rods, everything. Everything is brand new within the last 6,000 miles. So just wanted to have you guys check that out every once in a while. I never really took a look at those. Never thought they would really go bad. I mean, of course they would dry rot after some time, but I didn't figure they would just completely break apart. I mean, there's no dry rot on this whatsoever. It is nice, clean, shiny rubber. Just started to split and kind of go wonky once it started to split and pull out the center. It was going to pop through like a little donut hole. So just wanted to share that with you. I don't like noises, so when I hear one I go looking in search of, and found it. And that's just some lubricant down there. It's not an oil leak or anything. I just spray a bunch of lubricant all over everything just to keep everything lubricated. And that way when I go to get a front alignment, it's all lubricated and ready to go. And besides, I'm not showing this off. Well, I am now to whoever watches this video, but it's not, I don't usually show underneath the hood. I don't take it to car shows or anything like that. So, just wanted to hopefully help someone out. If you find it helpful, please give it a like. Thank you, and I hope you have a good day.